And in this 2-pack pixel light bar with tripod, we do have, of course, the user manual, and then we have a power block. And because there are 2 lights, there is 2 power block. And we have also 2 tripods, and they included a little stubby Phillips screwdriver, which could be handy, I guess, to screw some of the screw on the bar themselves. Again, 2 lights means 2 remote control with the remote control module, so that's great. If you want to control each light separately. And about the light, look at that. Very nice looking, wow, light bar, protected by this little plastic that I remove right now. And now I can have a look, a closer look at this bar, pixel light bar. Wow, looks very nice. It's feels like it's made of aluminum housing with the plastic filter here on the front, and of course some mounting brackets in the back with the connector cable right here. And we do have, which side here, a 1/4 thread for the tripod. So you can use either the included tripod, or if you have a bigger, better tripod, you can use that because it's normalized. It's the thread that all the tripod use. So it's good to know, or otherwise you can select to mount those completely on your wall or somewhere using those brackets. We saw light number 1, and that's light number 2, which is exactly the same with the protective plastic. Here we go. All right, well, that's light number 2. We do have here the 2 lights and the 2 remote control with the 2 power block here, the 2 tripod, and of course the user manual. And everything is there. Now it's time to plug everything and test everything and see how those light looks like. Let's go. Now to connect the light bar with the power, it's very easy. Between the light bar connector and the power connector, you will see that you cannot connect those connectors together. They are not the same because you need this module. This is the remote control module, and it has also a QR code where you can download the app. If you want to control those lights with the app instead of using the remote control, you can use that QR code to download the app. But otherwise, this remote module will go between here. Up, here we go. The right side, on the right side. So here we go. And now the other side will fit the power cord, like so. And now your light is ready to be controlled. Otherwise, if you don't use the app, you can use, of course, the remote control. So off, on, here we go, now we go on, the light bar is on, and it goes on to the latest mode you put it on. So for example, if that made sense, let's see, I've changed the mode. There's like a lot of different mode. All right, let's say that I like this mode, I turn it off. And when I turn it on again, it's back on the same mode, which is good. It's like a memory effect. Keep the last mode in memory. When you turn it on and off again, you get your mode back. And about mode, well, here you go. Press the mode button here, mode plus, mode minus, and you can change the mode. There is like a lot of mode. If you want to have like some kind of demo, you have an automatic mode, which go through everything automatically. And here you can select the speed of the light, plus and minus. You can have also a full color if you just want a plain color like red, green, blue, etc. You have also direct color. And here is the brightness if you want less brightness for your light, or maximum brightness. That's it, maximum brightness right there. So very easy to control right there. And also you can control it with the music. Here we do this button, music 1 or music 2. So when I talk, here you go. See, when I talk, it just reacts with the sound, so it will react with the music. And you have 2 modes for that. And now you have like another mode, the mode 2, which is like a view meter of the music. So mode 2, mode 1 with more color. So there you go. Very easy to drive with the remote control. Very nice looking, wow, light bar, protected by this little plastic that I remove right now. And now And now I can have a look, a closer look.